Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will dive into the detailed process of diagnosing and repairing the USB-C port on the HP Spectre 13ap0002ns. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by turning off your laptop and unplugging all cables. We recommend placing your device on a soft, static-free surface. Next, use the Torx T5 screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as they vary in size and length. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips. After the panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Locate the USB-C port, it's usually near the motherboard. Before proceeding, inspect the port for any visible damage or debris. If you notice dust or lint, use compressed air to clean it. For any stubborn grime, use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. This cleaning step is crucial for ensuring a proper connection. If you find that the port is damaged, you will need to replace it. To do this, disconnect the flex cable that connects to the USB-C port. It's usually secured with a small screw, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove it. Remember to handle the components carefully to avoid static damage. Now, if you don't have the tools or the time for this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can have your device evaluated without committing to repairs right away. Once the damaged port is removed, install the new USB-C port by reversing the previous steps. Make sure the flex cable is securely connected and the screws are tightened adequately. This connection is essential for the port to function properly. After replacing the port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel carefully and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure each screw is tightened, but avoid over-tightening, which can lead to further complications. Before powering on the device, take a moment to double-check your work. If you still feel uncertain, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is perfect for those who prefer to avoid the hassle of travel and just want a seamless repair experience. Now, power on your laptop and test the USB-C port with a compatible device. If everything works smoothly, congratulations on completing the repair. If not, it may be time to reach out for professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. In summary, diagnosing and repairing the USB-C port on the HP Spectre 13ap0002ns is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and take your time. Thank you for watching, and let's ensure your laptop stays in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.